Our clients purchased a new home and were excited for us to update their kitchen, master bathroom, and flooring throughout before they moved in to minimize the mess and maximize the convenience. We started by updating the kitchen with a bright and peaceful color scheme. No more dark and dated cabinets. White shaker cabinets and a beautiful natural granite now grace the kitchen and brighten the mood. The laundry room also was updated with new white cabinets and same matching granite. Functional and beautiful. The master bathroom got a complete makeover with a new shower, new frameless glass enclosure, and a beautiful new tub and tile. It is a spa-like setting. And the vanity is a beautiful match. A new vanity tower provides storage and separation of the separate his and her sinks. There's also a beautiful linen tower on the right to take care of all the storage needs for the bathroom. If you have a dark kitchen or a small bathroom, give us a call. We can take care of it all. See us on the web, greystonekitchens.com, 904-213-9100.